Ever pondered about the origins of the share market and its monumental growth? Our journey begins in the 16th century with the Dutch, a nation of explorers and traders. They gave birth to the concept of a share market, a revolutionary idea that would forever change the world of finance and commerce. The first ever stock exchange was established in Amsterdam, aptly named the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. This wasn't just a marketplace for traders, it was a hub of innovation and economic growth. Here they conducted the trading of shares of the Dutch East India Company, widely recognized as the first company to issue bonds and shares of stock to the general public. This unprecedented move created a ripple effect, setting a precedent for other companies to follow. The Dutch East India Company's shares became a coveted asset, sparking a new era of investment and trading. Thus, the Dutch laid the foundation for the modern-day share market. How did Wall Street, the epitome of the share market, come into existence, you may wonder? Well, it all began in the 18th century, in a place that would later become the financial capital of the world. To be precise, it started with the signing of the Buttonwood Agreement in 1792. A group of 24 brokers and merchants gathered under a buttonwood tree to set up a marketplace where they could trade stocks and bonds among themselves. This was the first step towards the formation of Wall Street. The growth of Wall Street was phenomenal. The marketplace under the Buttonwood tree evolved into the New York Stock and Exchange Board, which later became the world-renowned New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE as we know it today. This street in Lower Manhattan swiftly grew to become the hub of share market activity in the United States, attracting investors from across the globe. And that, folks, is how Wall Street became the heart of the financial world. From the humble beginnings, the share market has taken giant leaps. But how? Let's turn the pages of history and delve into the significant events that have shaped the trajectory of the share market. Our first stop is the year 1929, a year that would forever be etched in the annals of financial history. The Wall Street crash of 1929, often referred to as the Great Crash, caused a decade-long economic depression, reshaping the financial landscape and prompting a new era of regulation and oversight. Fast forward to the late 20th century, we witness another transformational shift: the introduction of electronic trading. This digital revolution democratized the share market, making it accessible to millions around the globe. It dramatically altered the way trading was conducted, replacing the traditional outcry system with a more efficient and transparent platform. But the journey of the share market wasn't always smooth sailing. The year 2008 saw a global financial crisis, the worst since the Great Depression. It was a stark reminder of the market's vulnerability and the devastating impact it can have on the global economy. Yet, it also served as a catalyst for change, leading to significant regulatory reforms and risk management strategies. Fast forward to the present day, the recent pandemic-led market volatility has once again tested the resilience of the share market. Yet despite the unprecedented challenges, it has demonstrated its ability to adapt and evolve, reinforcing its role as a critical pillar of the global economy. So you see, the share market, much like a phoenix, has risen from its ashes time and again, constantly evolving and adapting to the changing economic and technological landscape. Each crisis, each transformational shift, has been a stepping stone, shaping and influencing its growth and development. Indeed, the share market has weathered numerous storms, yet it continues to grow, evolve, and thrive. The journey has been tumultuous, yet fascinating, and the evolution nothing short of phenomenal. The share market has had quite a journey, hasn't it? Let's take a quick stroll down the memory lane. We started at the genesis, with the inception of the share market back in the 17th century by the Dutch East India Company. Then, we made a stop at Wall Street, the birthplace of modern capitalism, forever changing the financial landscape. We dove into the evolution of the share market, witnessing numerous challenges, from economic recessions to world wars. Yet the market, resilient as ever, not only survived but thrived, evolving and adapting to the changing world. The rise of technology companies in the 21st century marked a new era, further propelling the market's phenomenal growth. The share market's chronicles serve as a testament to its resilience and growth. From the Dutch East India Company to the tech giants of today, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this trip down the memory lane of the share market. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights.